Hello, my friends, and welcome to this full body standing stretch. We will be stretching and mobilizing from head to toe today, so this is perfect to do anytime you're feeling stiff or just as a way to break up long periods of sitting at your desk. You're not going to need anything special today, just some space to move around. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position, your feet about hips distance. Take your first big inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. On your next breath in, reach your fingertips up, making your body as long as you can. And as you exhale, interlace your fingers, side bend over to the right, left elbow points up toward the sky. On your next inhale, reach up. And as you exhale, side bend to the left. A couple more like that at your own speed. Go ahead and take one more. Then release your arms by your side, give them a little shake out. Shift your weight into your left foot and bring your right knee in towards your chest. Give it a little squeeze, stand up tall. And then switching over, bringing left knee to your chest. Again, alternating here at your own speed. Stretching out the hips and the back. The next time you have your right knee in towards your chest, give it a nice squeeze, stand up tall, and start to circle through the right ankle, going a few in one direction, and then switching and going the other way. From here, quad stretch. So we're going to release the right knee. Grab hold of your right foot, bring it in towards your right glute. Keep your knees close together. You should feel a stretch here through the front of your right leg, maybe your quad, your hip flexor. Getting a stretch also through your shoulder. Continuing to breathe fully and deeply to signal to the body that it's safe to relax. And now one more stretch on this side. Bring your right foot back behind you, left foot forward to find a lunge. Thinking about shifting your hips forward and down until you feel a nice stretch through the front of your right leg. When you get there, option to roll out the wrists. One more breath. Step your right foot forward. We'll do that on the other side. Bring your left knee in towards your chest. Give it a squeeze, stand up tall, and circle through the left ankle, going a few in one direction and then switching. Now for that quad stretch, let go of your left knee. Bring your left foot towards your left glute, standing up tall. And from here, high lunge, left foot back, right foot forward. Sink your hips forward and down until you feel a nice stretch through your left hip flexor. And when you get there, option to circle the wrists. All right, step your feet together. We're going to find a wide stance now, toes turned out slightly, getting some lateral movement in for our nice hips today. So shift your weight over to the right, bending the right knee. You should feel a nice stretch here through the inner left leg. Then press your way up through standing and come back over to the left. Continuing like this, go nice and slow. Only going as deep as feels comfortable for you today. One more to each side. Come back up through center. We're going to sink our hips down now, bending the knees, coming into this almost wide-legged squat position. Hands to your thighs, shoulder drops. So right shoulder comes toward left knee, getting a nice twist. Then come back up through center and over to the other side. Giving our spine here some rotation, which is something we don't often do while we're sitting all day. Couple more just like that. Awesome. Slowly press your way up back to standing. Bring your feet together again, about hips distance. On your next inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale, draw your shoulders down and back. Finding some very slow, big shoulder rolls here. And every time you roll, I want you to make the shoulder rolls even bigger. Getting out any kinks in your back that you might be feeling. Start to draw circles with your elbows here, really exaggerating the movement. Until your arms open out wide. Big arm circles. One more just like that. Arms wide, shape of a T, spreading through your chest. And then give yourself a big hug, round your back, gaze down toward the ground. As you inhale, open your arms out wide. And exhale, round. Two more just like that. Inhale. And exhale. And last one. Reach, reach, reach. And hug. Stand up tall. Give your arms a little shake. From here, we'll take a tricep stretch. Inhale, reach your fingertips up. As you exhale, bend the right elbow. Left fingertips guide the elbow down and back. As your right fingertips travel as far as they can. Standing up tall here. One more breath in. Go ahead and reach your fingertips up again, and we'll switch over. Left arm bends, left tricep stretch. Slowly let go of your left tricep. Give your arms a little shake. We'll end with a few neck stretches. Take your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a nice stretch on the left side of the neck. Then slowly tuck your chin, bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. And let's just continue like that at your own speed. One more to each side. Bring your head through center, stand up tall, and take one final inhale to reach up. Exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest one last time. And we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It really supports my channel. Until next time, I will see you next time. Bye.